Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 camping essentials in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading camping essential that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The BLUETTI AC-180 Portable Power Station. This powerhouse is perfect for camping, off-grid living, or emergencies. Let's explore its standout features and capabilities. The 1152Wh LiFePO4 battery charges from 0 to 80% in just 45 minutes at 1440W AC input. It's always ready for your next adventure or unexpected outages. Boasting 1800W output and 11 outlets, it handles a variety of devices effortlessly. Control it conveniently with the BLUETTI app for added functionality. With a 500W solar input and MPPT controller, you can fully charge it in about 3 hours using renewable solar energy, ideal for eco-conscious users. Not just for outdoors, the AC-180 works as a home UPS, providing power to essentials within 20 milliseconds during outages, keeping you worry-free. In conclusion, the BLUETTI AC-180 combines durability, efficiency, and versatility, making it a top-tier power station for any situation. Share your thoughts and power up your adventures today. Number 4. The Gas 1GS 3400P Dual Fuel Stove. It's portable, efficient, and ideal for camping or emergencies. Let's dive into its features and benefits. This stove supports both butane and propane fuels, offering flexibility. It includes a propane converter regulator for easy use with 8-ounce butane cartridges or 16.4-ounce propane cylinders. Forget lighters. The piezoelectric ignition system effortlessly ignites flames, making it super convenient for quick cooking, especially in outdoor settings. The adjustable heat dial allows precise control for various cooking needs. Its user-friendly design is perfect for beginners or seasoned campers alike. Equipped with a pressure sensor and gas flow cut-off mechanism, it ejects the cartridge if irregular pressure is detected, ensuring safe usage. In conclusion, compact, reliable, and versatile, the GS3400P is a must-have for camping and emergencies. Number 3. The STANLEY Adventure All-in-One Boil Plus Brew French Press. Perfect for coffee lovers and outdoor adventurers, this multifunctional device is built for convenience. The 32-ounce capacity lets you boil, brew, and even cook. Whether it's fresh coffee or hearty soup, this French press combines multiple functions into one compact design. Crafted from BPA-free, 18/8 stainless steel, it's nearly indestructible. Heated over a stove or campfire, it's ready for rugged outdoor adventures or cozy mornings at home. Its foldable handle and space-efficient design fit effortlessly in your backpack. Plus, you can store coffee grounds inside, saving space for other essentials. Boil water, add grounds, and press the plunger for smooth, grit-free coffee. A BPA-free nylon press ensures no grounds reach your cup. In conclusion, the STANLEY French press offers durability, practicality, and a lifetime warranty. Ideal for camping or daily use, start your adventure today. Number 2. The LE1000LM battery-powered LED camping lantern. It's a versatile, portable light that's perfect for camping, emergencies, or power outages. Let's dive in. This lantern boasts an impressive 1000 lumens. With a simple long press, adjust brightness levels for reading or illuminating larger spaces. It's practical and easy to use. Switch between 4 lighting modes, daylight white, warm white, full brightness, or flashing, by pressing a button. Tailor the ambience to suit your situation, effortlessly. Powered by 3D alkaline batteries, this lantern offers up to 12 hours of light, even at full brightness. perfect for extended camping trips or emergencies. Its IPX4 water resistance keeps it functioning in rain or snow. A reliable companion for outdoor adventures in any weather. In conclusion, compact, powerful, and weatherproof, the LE1000 LM camping lantern is a must-have for adventurers and emergencies alike. Number 1. The Gazelle Tents T4 Hub Tent. If you're looking for an easy-to-set-up, durable, and spacious tent, this might be the one for you. Setting up the T4 Hub tent takes just 90 seconds. Its innovative hub design eliminates hassle, making camping enjoyable and stress-free right from the start. The tent is waterproof and UV-resistant, keeping you safe from rain and harsh sunlight. Its premium materials ensure durability for countless camping adventures. With dimensions of 78 inches by 94 inches by 94 inches and ample storage options, this tent comfortably accommodates 4 people and extra gear, providing room to relax freely. 6 tight-weave mesh windows and 2 D-shaped doors with mesh screens ensure excellent airflow while keeping insects out, creating a fresh camping experience. In conclusion, the Gazelle Tents T4 Hub tent combines comfort, durability, and convenience, making it a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.